friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare pork solantulem, and to do that let's go and start it. To start with, I'm using 500 grams of pork belly and I've already cut it into chunk pieces. Add half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3 medium sliced onions. Let's mix this well and leave it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Once the marination is done, transfer it into a pot you would like to cook and then add 1/4 cup of water. Now let's cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium flame for now. So after cooking it for 15 minutes, now I'll add 12 to 15 kokum petals, which is also known as solas. So I've soaked marble size of tamarind in water and I'm going to add only 60 ml of pulp into it. Let's cook this on a medium flame until the meat is tenderly cooked. Our solantulem is almost done. If you want to have it very dry, keep the lid open and cook it for another 10 minutes. So friends, our solantulem is done now. And if you like my recipe, then please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.